Today we're going to take the front drive shaft off the TJ. Got a little bit of a vibration problem, and so I'm going to take the front drive shaft off and drive around, see if that's it. Transfer case drop that I put on 2 months ago. I'm going to take it off because I'm going to put the transfer case back up to stock height, and we're going to measure the drive shafts, and I think we're going to go with a slip yoke eliminator on this thing, just to rule out any possibility of where the vibration's coming from. Plus, the front drive shaft needs a new cardigan joint, rebuilt. And so if I'm going to do that, we're gonna replace them because we lifted it. We're gonna put a slip yoke on it, so we definitely need a rear drive shaft, and might as well just go in for a front one too while we're here. And then I could rebuild this one and keep it as a spare. 3/4 inch or 19 millimeter. 3 of these got to come out. Before we do that, I got the good old bottle jack. I put it underneath the yoke. Just we're not trying to jack up the axle, we're just trying to support it, because when we take the skid off, it's going to want to drop. Right up in here is the bolts holding the transmission mount to the skid. We want to undo those. 13 millimeter. Yep, right on the pickle. Got the other side supported with a block of wood. Ow. So 8 millimeter. Want to be careful because they strip easy. On the front, we just got a traditional U-joint. And my 8 millimeter box wrench ain't making it. 8 millimeter box end wrench. I guess the ratchet didn't have enough room to clear it. So I'm going to break them loose with this. And if you strip them, you could always drill them out and put a bolt through, or there's a U-bolt upgrade to these straps. Okay, 10 millimeter with a short extension would probably be better, or 8 millimeter. To take it off, all you do is pull in on it to compress it. Maybe. Sometimes it needs a little persuasion. Let's get a little beefier persuasion. There we go. Just pull in on it. Press it. Come down. Be careful not to lose these caps unless you're replacing the U-joint. Here's a trick I'll show you in a second. And if you did it right, the back should just fall right out. So I told you earlier, there's a trick to these caps. Electrical tape. Just wrap a crap load of electrical tape around it. That'll keep your caps on. But you know, while you have it out, now's a good time to replace them. These feel really good. This joint back here gave a little squeaky squeak when I was driving, so I imagine it's It's really not feeling too good, but there's a ball inside there that wears out and gets a flat spot. So yeah, we're just gonna measure for a new one, because it could use it. The skid plate held up on a block of wood. I'm going to attempt to put it up in place and hold it in with just one bolt in the middle. It's proven difficult to line up the transmission mounts into the hole while balancing it on a stick, basically. So yeah, floor jack it is. And then I'm gonna put some anti-seize on these bolts. There we go. Yeah, maybe. Here we go. There you have it. Taking the front drive shaft off. TJ, very simple to do. Hardest part's getting the skid off of it. Same procedure goes for the XJ, the Cherokee, but only you don't have a skid plate to worry about. It's actually easier on the XJ. All right, so you got some more time to kill. Check out my podcast, 10-Minute Off-Road Podcast for the off-roader with the short attention span. There'll be a card for it up here. Got some more time to kill. Check out one of these videos. This one's my favorite. This one you're going to like, because let's face it, everything I do is good. Like what you see, hit the thumbs up. Don't like what you see, hit the thumbs down. I'm open to criticism. Got something to say, leave a comment down below. All right, thanks for watching.